Hello students, today we are going to study about English grammar topic pronouns. So let's start. At first, we will come to know what are pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used at the place of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. It means whenever we are going to use a word at the place of noun, that is called pronoun. And why do we use pronoun at the place of noun? To avoid repetition of the nouns. As given in example, Ram is my brother. Ram plays cricket. Here we have used Ram 2 times, and second time in next sentence we have used here he at the place of Ram. So we have used here he pronoun to avoid the repetition of Ram. So we use pronoun at the place of noun to avoid repetition of nouns. Next is kinds of pronouns. Here, these are 7 types of pronouns. First, personal pronoun. Second, possessive pronoun. Third, reflexive pronoun. Fourth, emphatic pronoun. Fifth, demonstrative pronoun. Sixth, interrogative pronoun. And seventh is relative pronoun. So let's start with the first type, that is, what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns refer to the person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person, place, or thing spoken about. It means it refers to 3 persons. First person, who is speaker, second person, to whom the first person is speaking, and the third person, about whom the first person is speaking to the second person. Here, as you can see in the table, number, person, gender, subject, object, all are given here. In singular, for first person, male or female, we can use in subject I, and in object we can use me. In second person, for male or female, subject you, object you. For male, in third person, subject he, object him. Female, subject she, object her. For neuter, it means non-living things, subject it, and object will also be it. As in plural, for first person, male or female, in subject we can use we, in object we can use us. For second person, in plural, subject you, and in object you. In third person, plural, for male, female, and neuter, in subject we will use they, and in object them will be used. Here some examples are given. Let's do. I like coffee. In next, John helped me. Here I is used as subject and me is used as an object in first person. In next, do you like coffee? John loves you. Here you is used as subject in first sentence. In next sentence it is used as an object in second person. He runs fast. Did Ram beat him? He is used as third person as subject, and him is used in third person as an object. Here he or him will be used for male person. Next, she is clever. Does Mary know her? Here she is used as subject and her is used as an object, and she and her are used for female person. Next is we went home. Anthony drove us. Here we is used as subject and us is used as an object, and we and us are first persons. Next is it doesn't work. Can the engineer repair it? In first sentence it is used as subject, and in next sentence it is used as an object, and these are used for neuter. Next, Do you need a table for three? Did John and Mary beat you at doubles? Here, you is used as subject, and next sentence, you is used as an object, and these are used for plural second person. They played doubles. John and Mary beat them. Here, they is used as subject and them is used as an object, and these are used for plural. Now, let's start the next, that is possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Here in the examples, this pen is my pen, not your pen. In next sentence, this pen is mine, not yours. Here, mine and yours are going to show the possession or ownership. In next sentence, this is my laptop, it's mine. Here, mine is possessive pronoun which is going to show the possession. Here in this table, possessive adjectives are given and possessive pronouns are given. My, his, her, its, our, your, their. These are possessive adjectives, and mine, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. These are possessive pronouns. Next is reflexive pronouns. This pronoun is used when the subject performs action on itself. The subject work as the object also. Examples: be careful, you will burn yourself. Here, yourself is used as reflexive pronoun. Next is Ria solved the sum herself. Here, herself is reflexive pronoun. Next is demonstrative pronouns. It is used to indicate any noun. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. This is used to indicate singular object which is nearby, and that is used to indicate singular object which is far from us. These is used to indicate plural object which is near to us, and those is used to indicate plural object which is far from us. Now let's start the next, that is interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used to introduce a question. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, what, which, and whose. In interrogative pronoun, we will get the question, and who, whom, what, which, whose, etc. These words will be used in the sentence. And with these words, noun should not be there. If noun is there, then it will not be called interrogative pronoun. As given in example, who used up all the water? Here, who word is used, which is an interrogative pronoun, and noun is not used just after this word. The last is relative pronoun. It refers to the nouns mentioned earlier in the sentence. Who, which, whom, that, and what are some relative pronouns. If in the sentence we are talking about the noun, in the previous sentence these words are used to refer these nouns. As in the first example, the cyclist who won the race trained hard. Here who is used, that is relative pronoun. In next sentence, the pants that I bought yesterday are already stained. Here that is relative pronoun which is going to refer the pants, which is a noun. In next sentence, the 4 team leaders, whoever the committee selects, will be at tomorrow's meetings. Here, whoever is the relative pronoun which is going to refer the 4 team leaders. Next, where did you buy the dress that you wore last week? Here, that is relative pronoun which is going to refer the dress. In next sentence, the book, when it was finally returned, was torn and stained. Here, when is relative pronoun which is going to refer the book.